Today's video topics is how to use color changing effect in your video. First, bring the video to the Premiere Pro timeline. Then, go to the project panel. Click on the right button here. Go to the new item. Then, click on color matte. Click the OK button. Here, select Ace. Increase Ace to 60%. And increase B to 50%. Select any color of your choice. Click the OK button. Again, click on the OK button. Drag and drop the color matte layer on the video. Click on the color matte layer. Go to Effect Control. Click on Opacity. From the blending mode, select Soft Light. You can see that the color effect has arrived in the video. Click the right button on the color matte layer. Click on the duplicate. Again, drag and drop the color matte layer on the video. From blending mode, select Soft Light again. Double click on the color matte layer. From the color picker, select a color of your choice. Click the OK button. Next, click on the Effect tab. Click on the Video Transition folder. From here, you can apply any transition you like to the color matte layer. Thanks for watching the video.